Hey everybody!
What's up?
Welcome to the TriFate Cooking Show.
TriFate Cooking Show.
Today we're in Iceland and we're going to be making some Icelandic tortellini pasta. This is the quality stuff, the Icelandic quality.
Icelandic
from
quality.
the discount supermarket.
Oh yes.
So let's get right into this. Isaac is going to be cooking today tortellini pasta like we said, and I am going to be cooking a sandwich, a special Italian sandwich. We got a bunch of cameras set up here for this epic footage. So what's the first step?
So first you're obviously gonna want to boil some water.
All right, so get to that. Ooh, this Icelandic water going in there.
So then you're gonna put one of these batches back. And then you look at this. So you press this button. This. Oh, what did that do? Oh, down selected. There.
Good job.
Yay! Now we wait for water.
You have to tenderize your pasta.
Oh.
Unpackage the pasta.
Now that it's nice and tenderized. I feel like there's an easier way to do this. What the heck? I thought there was gonna be like a seal on here. I think I need some skizzers. Alright, pasta has been tenderized and is now open. It's a bit harder than I anticipated. Might need some more tenderization here.
Tenderizing those meats.
As you can see, you don't want them to crack like this, so I'm gonna seal this one here and put it back. And you always gotta test the water. It's a bit warm. Later we'll stick our hand. Once it starts to bubble, that's when you really want to stick your hand in there.
Yeah. Boil time.
Alright, welcome back to the cooking. We got a new angle here.
Oh, yeah, the under the chin angle. Perfect. The boil has almost began. The lighting in here is awful, by the way, sorry.
So, when the boiling begins, I'm just going to walk you through the process. So you're going to turn it down a little bit. You don't want to fry the leanies. The leanies don't like to be fried. And then after that, you're just going to plop them all in there, and then you're going to wait. This says 3 to 4 minutes, but I'm very skeptical of that. So I don't know what I'm going to do. I hope I don't ruin it.
Just see what one tastes like raw.
Alright.
Dry.
Very, very dry. Extremely dry.
Are you sure you just don't want to eat it like that?
Oh, it's so dry. I need some Eagles applesin.
Boil cam? We're working. Why is this taking so long to go from here to actual boil? Bubbles.
Right.
Get ready. Get ready. Right when that mother starts bubbling, you're going.
We might have scared away the bubbles. They are a bit apprehensive once people are nearby. Oh, I see one. Actually, during this part, we can prepare by grabbing our utensils here. So you're going to want one to stir and also scoop as well. So this is going to be a good one. What was that? That water's made a really weird noise.
It did. Stick your hand inside and see if it hurts.
Okay. Ooh. Ah, it hurts. Ah.
Owie. We just keep boiling water and pour it in the hot tub.
Alright, we've hit the 10 second threshold. So, you're going to want to carefully place each one individually. As you see, there is one of them that is dead. He is not floating. And that is bad. But we continue on. Oh, there's another dead guy down there. Those ones are just going to be left. So you continue to individually place them. You can never do more than 3 at a time. That's even pushing it. I usually just like to individually do it. And then you really want to get that lily pad look. After they are all placed, you're gonna want to give them the good old presser here. Press, 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 press. And a little bit of a spinner cycle, spinner cycle. And now, more waiting.
Add in salt to get that extra boil.
More.
Tell me when to stop.
Go. That's some good salt there.
Oh, we gotta get some little peppy in there too.
Oh, you do have to get the pepper in there. Oh no.
Ooh, it's turned into a broth.
I do love my tortellinis as broth. I have no clue how long they're gonna cook for. So after just a few minutes, I tested out a noodle and it seemed pretty done. So now it's time to drain. So actually quite hot on my fingies. Ow, that hurt my fingies a lot. I'm gonna grab a towel here, get that nice and secure.
This is intense. Slowest strain of all time.
Yeah, they could have made the holes a little bit bigger. We're nearing the end.
Why don't you just eat it as a soup?
I'm not feeling the brothy style today.
Oh, what have you created? Oh!
The Aussie tortellini noodles.
It's a little hot. Oh, there's a pasta dish.
So then you grab your local pasta dish, and you just do the old, oh, there's a bit of water here still. Whatever. Then you flop them in there. And then, the little additive here. We got some Smjor and some cheese. Always start the butter, because this thing right now is a hunker, and we want to get that melted down into a hunker. So then you're going to grab your butter knife.
Precision.
And then there's your piece of Smjor. Tower it. Oh, that was a crisp open. Cheese. Oh
no. Oh, no.
Thing. As you can see, that's what that H means. It's hot, so you don't want to put cheese on it.
Oh, that's good.
Gonna mix in that s'mores a little bit here. Get it under there, and then just a little bit more. And there is the tortellini.
Fancy. Hello. Hello, it's the Cookie Joe. Today we're making a sandwich. I got a bunch of different meats that I thought looked good. We have chili mayo. I'm a little bit scared about that. Not sure how spicy it's gonna be. We went to a diner and I got chili mayo with my chicken and it was super spicy. It smells spicy. All right, so I cracked into the chicken. We got some chicken here. I don't know how this is gonna be. Then we got some salami and we got some pepperoni, huh?
Stop getting pepperoni when you open it.
What do you think this is? Charity?
Yeah.
Pepperoni charity? All right, let's apply some chili mayo. Why not? I like mayo. I like chili. I don't know. Oh my gosh, that was a lot. Let's just put a little thin layer on there. I guess we could have just put it on the top, but let's get some in the bread. Why not? As you can see, I'm a professional chef. I know exactly what I'm doing. I shouldn't have used the same knife that I was using to open those with. And the sink really doesn't wash things off well, does it?
No, but it's got the power.
It's got a lot of air. It's got a lot of pressure, but it doesn't work very well. All right, let's get this chicken on here. We're just gonna use the whole frackin' loop because why not? We need a big sub. This is my dinner and my lunch. The only thing I had for frackin' lunch was ice cream, and it murdered me. That's really not that much meat. So we can definitely apply a healthy layer of chicky there on the bottom. Well, let's mix in the cheese between the meats. That sounds like a plan. We got some Gouda cheese. Not sure how this will be on a sandwich, but it just seemed more like something you want to get when you're making food in a foreign country, you know? Gouda cheese.
Icelandic Gouda cheese.
Icelandic Gouda cheese. All right, let's plop on the salami. Salami. Just get me in this salami. These things are impossible to open. I literally gotta just. Oh wait, is there a little tab right here? Bruh. I literally just destroyed the other one trying to open, and this one had a little slab. All right, salami. I want to save myself a few pieces of salami for some crackers, but get a good layer of salami. Salami's got that flavor. Not sure how many peppies to use, but let's plop them on throughout here.
Peppies are so good.
They are good. Got a pepperoni, salami, and chicken sander right here. This is going to be a hunker of a sandwich. We don't really have any side dishes for it, so I got to make it hunker. It'd be nice if I had some turkey or ham as well. You know what, frack it. Let's put on some mozzarella cheese on there as well. Let's really get this thing going. This is the Italian sub. It'd be nice to get this in the microwave, actually, maybe melt it up a little bit. Hopefully it doesn't make the bread wet, but let's try to melt the cheese in the microwave. I don't have a toaster oven. Ah! This plate is as big as the microwave. Why not? Put it in for 15 seconds. What? That's the best we're gonna get. They're still pretty cold. That microwave just is like blech. Not great. All right, let's try just a little bit of the chili mayo. I'm a little afraid still, if it's really spicy. But yeah, there's the sandwich. It looks pretty fracking good. Gotta admit, that is a hunker of a sandwich. That is a hunker of a sandwich. Look at that monster.
Oh my gosh.
Ooh. Double cheese layer, chicken layer, salami layer, pepperoni layer.
Oh, it's tasty. That is so large.
It's a big boy. It's my lunch and dinner, baby. This is living the high life.
Sugar-free.
Let's see how this chili mayo is. Ow!
You're really hot that thing down. That is so large.
How delicate. I didn't put too much on there.
My tortellinis are very, very wet.
Uh-oh.